This is a video about solving quadratic equations using the formula. If you can, it's usually quicker and better and neater to factorise. But you can't always factorise, and sometimes you just don't spot the factorisation. When that happens, you can try the formula. For a minute, we'll talk about a general quadratic equation. So we've got ax squared plus bx plus c, and we just don't know what a, b and c are yet. There's a brilliant piece of maths that says that when this is the equation you're trying to solve, the solutions always look like this. X equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. The plus or minus is how you get your two solutions, and you usually get two solutions when you're solving quadratic equations. Not always, sometimes you get none, sometimes you get one, but usually you get two. All you have to do is take your problem and put a, b and c into this formula. So we'll see some examples. First thing I'm going to do is just write the formula out again up here. Minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is the formula we're going to use, whatever the quadratic equation looks like. So suppose I've got x squared plus 4x plus 2 equals 0. Well, in that quadratic equation, I've got a equals 1, b equals 4, and c equals 2. So I simply stick these numbers into this equation. And this is what that looks like. I get x equals minus b is minus 4. Plus or minus the square root of b squared is 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 2. 4 times a times c. And divide that by 2 times 1. So I've simply taken these numbers and put them into the formula. Well, then I have a bit of arithmetic to do, but it is nothing more than slightly fiddly arithmetic. 16 minus 8 all over 2. If you're copying this out, keep copying going straight down. I'll jump back to the top. So I've now got x equals minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 8 all over 2. So that's just taking this, and 16 minus 8 is 8, minus 4 plus or minus 8 over 2. We can turn that into two solutions like this. X equals minus 4 plus root 8 over 2 and minus 4 minus root 8 over 2. Those are perfectly good solutions exactly as they are. If you wanted to, you could use a calculator to find out what the values are. So I'll do that now. Take my calculator. I'm going to do minus 4 plus the square root of 8. And I'm going to divide that by 2. And I've been careful to put brackets in and make sure I get a sensible value out that does actually match what I want. But I think I get minus 0.586. Now this one, minus 4 minus root 8 divided by 2 is minus 3.414. That's an example of solving a quadratic equation with the formula.